Good evening, Your Highness. I'm here because I received a summons to...
Hey, there he is, my main village man.
Pacha. Anyway, I got this summons.
Pacha. That's right, you are just the man I wanted to see.
I am?
Word on the street is you can fix my problem. You can fix my problem, can't you?
Sure, I'll do what I can.
Good. That's just what I wanted to hear. Are you aware of just how important your village is to the Empire?
Well, I know we grow the crops that you use here at the palace. We also herd the llamas that you... My village?
Oh, yeah. You got a pretty sweet little setup there on top of that hill, don't ya?
Yeah, my family has lived on that hilltop for the last 6 generations.
Uh-huh. So tell me, where do you find you get the most sun?
Oh, I'd say just on the other side of those trees. When the sun hits that ridge just right, these hills sing.
Well, that settles it.
Really?
Yep, problem solved. Thanks for coming.
That's it? That's all you wanted me for?
I just needed an insider's opinion before I okayed this spot for my pool.
Your pool?
Booyah! Welcome to Cusco-topia, my ultimate summer getaway, complete with water slide.
What?
Isn't it great? It's my birthday gift to me. I'm so happy.
I don't understand how this could happen.
Well, let me clear it up for you. At my birthday celebration tomorrow, I give the word, and your town will be destroyed to make way for this. So, if I were you, I'd pick up some change of address forms on the way home.
But where will we live?
Don't know, don't care. How's that?
What? Oh, but wait, you can't...
When I give the word, your little town thingy will be bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, wait.
Boo-hoo. Oh, yeah, everything was going my way.